I'm Tony DeMaria, the editor of JACC, here with a highlight from the June 25th issue of the Journal. And we all know that left atrial appendage closure is a very, very controversial procedure at the current time. There have been a number of studies. They've all had relatively complex findings, no home runs yet in terms of the efficacy of the device, but lots of evidence that it can be effective, especially in patients who have contraindications to warfarin. And that's what this particular paper addresses. If we're going to use a left atrial appendage device, then the patients in whom we most want to have that device available are those patients in whom warfarin is contraindicated. So in a multi-center study that was not blinded and not randomized, a group of investigators took approximately 150 patients in whom there was an absolute contraindication to warfarin and in whom atrial fibrillation was present, and utilized the Watchman left atrial appendage device to close the left atrial appendage. And what they observed in these 150 patients was, first and foremost, the incidence of adverse events in terms of the procedure itself was relatively low at 8.7% and got lower as their experience increased. Importantly, these patients had a mean CHAD score of about 2.8, and so the anticipation that a composite endpoint consisting of strokes, both ischemic and hemorrhagic, systemic emboli, and cardiovascular death would be about 7.3%. And in the patients who received the Watchman device, what they found was a composite incidence of 1.7%, so a pretty significant reduction. Now, these patients were on both aspirin and for 6 months on clopidogrel, so that we know aspirin and clopidogrel is efficacious in and of itself, but even if you adjusted for the anticipated beneficial efficacy of clopidogrel added to aspirin, there was still a difference of about 1.7% versus an anticipated endpoint of 5%. So the message I've taken away from this paper is that there are a group of patients who have atrial fibrillation who have a significant risk for systemic embolization and an absolute contraindication to warfarin. And it's that group of patients in whom we really want alternative measures to protect them from systemic emboli. And left atrial appendage closure devices, in this case the Watchman device, may well give us that additional protection. For JACC, I'm Tony DeMaria.